Classic Mini Garage is sponsored by Old School Minis for all of your classic mini parts and accessories. Hi everybody, welcome back. This is just a quick garage update on what I've been up to. So there you go, is the 1380 Longman engine, which was in a previous video that I did not too long ago. That's sort of half finished now. We've got a 1293 one there, which got the crank and pistons in it and whatnot. I've got the camshaft for it just there, which is the AC Dodd RS cam. That cylinder head there is the Longman GT14 head, which luckily survived the blow up of the engine, weirdly enough. But yeah, it's absolutely fine. That's obviously for that engine there. That is another 1293, which I'm waiting to start. The one behind it here is the one for Tom Shorrock from Total Car Reviews. I'll be starting that very soon. This cylinder head here is the MJA ported polished gas flowed cylinder head, which is for that engine. That is the old Longman engine, the one that blew up. Typical, that, isn't it? What else have we got? Right, this head here. The screen's gone off for some reason. Right, okay. That cylinder head is for Old School Minis, who is the sponsor of the channel. That's just a standard reconditioned 1275 head that's been modified to run unleaded fuel. So that was also done by MJA. So that will be going on the engine soon. I've got to paint it first. Yeah, so that's about it. There is another engine underneath here, which is partly stripped, but I'm not doing anything else with that until I've got rid of that one and that one. Well, I've got more engines coming in, but we've got to get rid of these first. Yeah, so that's about it. Hope everyone's doing okay in the situations that we're in at the moment. It's not good for anybody really, but you know, can't really do a lot about it. So yeah, that's where we are up to now. Well, thanks for watching guys, and I'll speak to you on the next one. Bye for now.